Hello everyone, I can explain today is the electrochemistry topic and how come actually this topic and what is the concept behind this topic. Okay, electrochemistry actually is a branch of chemistry and physical chemistry is one more sub branch of chemistry. So this is the come under the physical chemistry branch. Okay, and actually what is the electrochemistry? Electrochemistry is turns from actually from two words, that is the electricity and one more chemical. One more chemicals. Okay. I can take a topic from these two words and actually how can I explain? That is the important matter. Okay. Actually chemicals can made from matters. You know, matters. Okay, matter. Below states of matter, that is the solid, gas, liquid. And chemicals also one of the states of matter, that is the liquid. It made from liquids. Okay, chemicals is nothing but solution. Okay, solutions. That is in the solution. You can now solute in solvent. Is nothing but solution. What is in by solute? You take some example. That is sugar solution. Sugar solution means sugar in less amount and water in more amount. That is called sugar solution. Yes or no? And here solute is sugar and solvent is water. This whole made solution. This is nothing but chemicals. This is nothing but a matter. Okay. Why I explain here actually matter. You know, one of the scientists, that is Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday. He can do some lab experiments. He can determine or he can observe electrical property of a given solution. He can do some lab experiments. He can tell from those observations that these solutions have some electrical property. Solutions have some electrical property. Okay. Why that electricity is observed from this solution? Because of, you take examples of some solutions. I take here zinc sulfate solution. Okay, zinc sulfate solution, and zinc sulfate solution having zinc plus 2 ions and one more counter ion is sulfate minus 2. These are the two ions present in this electrolytic solution. Okay, these solutions having some charges. Why electricity produced from this solution? Okay, and what is the role of these ions to produce a electricity? Okay, this is electrolyte. It is also called electrolyte. Solutions are called in electrochemistry topic electrolyte. These have some property, that is these have ions. What these ions do to generate a electricity? That is the main role. Okay, actually you see here, these are the charges. Okay, zinc sulfate having zinc plus 2 ions and sulfate ions. This charge is unstable in nature, having high energy. Having high energy. First of all, you will know in nature, every element or every substance have tries to minimize that energy and get and go towards the stability. And also here, charged particles having some high energy and these are unstable in nature. So unstable ions, it tries to minimize this charge, and that minimization of charge is very important role to generate electricity. Okay, okay. And how these reactions will help to produce electricity, that is very important. Okay, first of all, you know how electricity is generated. First of all, this is the concept. You know, in any wire, you take any wire that have good conductor of electricity. You take your copper wire, that is a good conductor of electricity, having 2 points, that is A, B, and I can naming this A point is V and this is the VB. Means it is the voltage at point A, voltage at point B. You so here, if I can take first condition, voltage of at point A is equal to voltage of at point B, then current will zero in this wire. Okay, what is I can tell you, if the potential of these 2 points equal, then in wire there is no current. Okay? There is no current. When current will pass in first this point, condition VA is greater than VB, or you can take reverse of that. It is VB is greater than VA. Then and then only I is a current, I is not equal to 0. Means I here don't have 0 value. Okay, these are the conditions. You can produce it. Then and then only current produce. Then and only current will produce. Okay, show here electrons. Okay, what is electricity? Electricity is nothing but the flow of electrons in wire. Yes or no? Flow of electrons from this wire. And electrons flowing is observed VA is greater than UV and VB is greater than VA. These are the also called this potential is potential difference. Potential difference. That wire having some potential difference, then and then only current will pass from this point to this point. Okay, this is the actual electricity. Okay, this is the electricity. And how this flow of electrons observed in this solution, and due to that flow of electrons currently generated, these flow of electrons from where, due to these solutions, I can make clear in next. Okay, how can these chemicals will generate electrons, and that electrons make a electricity? Yes or no? Michael Faraday already observed matter having some electrical properties. Yes or no? Okay. One of the scientists is Daniel scientist. What can he do in his lab? He take beaker to beaker and take a metal strip. What metal strip? It is called in electrochemistry. Electro metal strip is called electro. This is also a metal strip. Here I take zinc metal strip. Okay. Here I take copper in pure form. Here this solid means what is the state of this zinc? It is pure solid form. And take here electrolytic solution. Electrolyte means here take solution. Solution are called electrolyte in electrochemistry. Yes or no? What is that electrolyte? I take here zinc sulfate, and here I take copper sulfate. Why I take only these solutions here? Here I take zinc in zinc sulfate and here copper in copper sulfate. This zinc electrodeplane zinc sulfate electrolytic solution and copper electrodeplane copper sulfate electrolytic solution. These are must same. Okay. Condition is this zinc is zinc sulfate and these are the solutions of these ions. Okay, here is the condition. Next, I connect this electrode between this zinc sulfate solution means this electrode between this electrolytic solution. What is this hole called in electrochemistry? Is called half cell. Is called half cell. Okay, and one is the denotion that is zinc to zinc plus 2. This is the zinc solid and this is the zinc aqueous. Okay, this is the denotion of this beaker. In beaker I take solution and electrolytic solution this electrode will be I can keep it. Okay, here is the zinc. I can take one bar and zinc aqueous means zinc metal strip interact with zinc sulfate solution. Means we see here this is the surface. This zinc metal rod interact with this solution. This bar denotes the surface between the solution and this solid metal strip. Okay, this will be denotion of this. What is the denotion of this? It is the copper solid and copper plus 2 aqueous. This is the half cell. This is one half cell and this is the second half cell. Okay. Next, what can he do? He connect these two half cells by external conducting wire and here he put a emitter. Okay, I can make here key. Okay, this now is off. If then Daniel is connect this wire, then he observed in emitter. Emitter has needle here, and he on this wire and this needle take deflection. Needle take deflection means here current will passing through this wire. So no, why emitter shows deflection? There is some current in this wire. Why that current generated? Where, where from where this current will coming? Because this substance, this matter, this electrodeplane electrolytic solution. That's why the current will be generated. Yes or no? And this flow of electrons, this will deflect these points. When current electricity will be generated, I can say here one of the potential will be higher and one potential will be lower. Then and then only current will pass. You can say from here must one half cell having higher potential, one half cell having lower potential. This is the condition. Then and only then only current will be passing through this wire and emitters to a deflection. Okay, this is the condition. You see lab observation. Actually, what happened this in this electrodes and electrode solution? What reactions take place? Reactions are produce electrons and reactions are produce takes electrons. These are the reactions and what type of reactions will observe in this beaker. That will be I can explain here. Okay, you see here is the copper to copper plus 1 upside and this upside. Okay, one another terms is there that is SRP. That is SRP is standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential. Standard reduction potential means we know reduction. Reductions mean gain of electrons is called reduction. Gain of electron is called reduction. And oxidation means loss of electron is called oxidation. Loss of electron oxidation. And SRP come from this reduction reaction that is SRP. And oxidation that is SOP. Standard oxidation potential. These are the two terms. These terms shows or denote what these terms show. Okay, I can write here some reaction. zinc plus 2 get take 2 electrons in zinc solid, and copper plus 2 take 2 electrons and copper solid. Okay, here zinc plus 2 take 2 electrons. You can write like here, and what is that value is 176. Okay, these are the standard reduction potential. These values are calculated in lab, and these value directly given in any problem or in any book already given. One of the series is there, but you will know only up to here. You will only know here what is the E naught of this half cell. In zinc plus 2 to zinc is the minus 0.76. Means you see here is zinc plus 2 aqueous to zinc solid. That's why zinc plus 2 you go to zinc means reduction gain of electrons. You directly shown here zinc plus 2 to zinc is called SRP value of zinc plus 2 means plus 2 is take electron. That's why SRP value of zinc plus 2, not SRP value of zinc. Zinc never take electrons because already is stable in nature. Only zinc plus 2 it can take electrons and go towards this stability. Goes towards this stability. As like this, E naught of what is E denote? It is the electromotive force. It is the electromotive means potential means energy. What is the energy of this? What is the energy of mind? What is the potential of mind? That's why these elements having some potential that will be denoted by E naught. Why that is not? Because of standard condition. What is the standard condition? At 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atm pressure. These are the calculated under this condition. That's why I take here standard or the standard reaction potential, standard oxidation potential. Okay, and here I can write copper plus 2 to copper. This is what is that value? It is the value of this is 0.34 volt. You can see here every ion having standard reduction potential, and we in nature every have not having the same potential. Those have less amount of potential, and some people having lots of potential. As like those, and elements also should also show these natures. Means here G plus 2 and say minus 0.76 volt SRP value, and E naught of copper plus 2, that is the copper plus 2 and having some SRP value, that is the value is 1 plus 0.34 volt, and here minus 0.76 volt. What is meaning this? Means the potential of zinc plus 2 to take 2 electrons having less potential means taking of 2 electrons. Both ions have take 2 electrons, but the potential is different. Means here copper plus 2 having more energy to take 2 electrons compared to zinc plus 2 ions. That is the reason behind this. Why this value 0.76 and what is the value of 0.34? These are the value are important to explain this concept. Okay, I can directly write here E naught of this upset, that is zinc plus 2 to zinc. This is the value of that minus 0.76 volt, and what is of this value? E naught of copper plus 2 to copper is 0.34 volt. Yes or no? 0.34 volt. Okay, these are the two values. These are the two values. Now you observe here taking of electron is called reduction. So SRP value of copper plus 2 is more. Means this will takes electrons from zinc. It takes electron from zinc. You think here why copper plus 2 will take 2 electrons from this? Because of potential of copper plus 2 is more compared to zinc plus 2 ions. SRP value says potential of copper plus 2 is more compared to zinc plus 2. Okay, that's why copper plus 2 takes 2 electrons from this. So it can lose electrons means it takes here which reaction? That is the oxidation reaction. Is loss of electrons. It takes electrons from zinc plus 2. Sorry, zinc. That's why this here reaction. What is that reaction? Is reduction. Means copper plus 2 take 2 electrons from which it may here is whatever it takes electrons, 2 electrons from which here two conditions are there. One is the zinc solid pure and is the zinc sulfate solution. Means who will lose 2 electrons? That is the matter here. It take electrons. Here who take electrons? That is the copper plus 2 because it is unstable. It can take 2 electrons and it gets stabilized. Okay, it can copper plus 2 ions in this liquid solution. It take electrons and discharge on that metal strip. After some time, this this metal strip is convert after some time some deposit you observed in laboratory. And you also observed this type of observation. The copper will deposited in electrolyte copper plus 2 ions of the copper plus 2 ions go towards that metal strip and get discharged and get stabilized from plus 2 to 0. Means whenever they will discharge, they will get neutral charge. Means they go towards the stability. Yes or no? And these two electrons come from where? That is the zinc. That is the zinc. Means copper is half shell having tendency to take two electrons from this cell. So no, that's why electrons passing from this half cell to this half cell. Okay, zinc to copper plus 2. Here, who lost two electrons? That is will be important. Okay, here I can say here one is the zinc solid and here is one zinc plus 2. Okay, already having plus 2 charge and here 0 charge. Who will lose electrons? Who will lose electrons? Who having more tendency to lose electrons? Zinc, yes or no? Because already having here plus 2 charge, that having not tendency to lose electrons. That's why here zinc will be only lose electrons. What is that reaction? You can write here zinc to zinc solid. Yes or no? Zinc solid to zinc plus 2 to 2 electrons. It can lose 2 electrons and these 2 electrons gained by this copper. These 2 electrons come through metal strip and in metal strip they have some electrons on the surface and here copper plus 2 ions get 2 electrons and discharge on this surface and after some time this zinc is eroded means this metal strip will be decreases. This metal strip size will be decreases because of zinc solid, pure solid lose zinc solid in the form of zinc plus 2 ions. That's why they will lose 2 electrons. This means some will take dissolve in solution and metal strip will be sometimes they get eroded. They get eroded. That's why this take 2 electrons and this reaction will comes. What is this reaction is called? Oxidation reaction. Loss of electron is called oxidation. Means in one half cell oxidation reaction will occur and in another half cell is reduction reaction will be occur. So that's why current will be passed simultaneously oxidation and reduction. This is called redox reaction. Because of redox reaction, that's why current will be passed. That's why current will be passed. If you think, if you take only one half cell, this is possible. Redox reaction is possible. No. You take must two half cell, one having oxidation and one having reduction. Okay. Okay. Emitter having say, some deflection. Up to what time this deflection will be occurring? That is will be important because you use in daily life batteries. Here watch having some batteries. Okay, batteries. That is the that here it is called electrochemical cell. This is the name of electrochemical cell, and two types of cell are there. That is one is the electrochemical cell and one is the electrolytic cell. I can explain here. Electrochemical cell means these chemicals make electricity. That's what is called electrochemical cell. In electrolytic cell, electricity is converted to chemical energy. That's why that is called electrolytic cell. I can explain after that. After this, this is the it's a type of electrochemical cell. This much of knowledge is you can okay. Here you see these are the two reactions. Okay. And what is the SRP value of this? You can see here. SRP is minus 0.76 volt. You can see here also 0.34 volt means this have a SRP value more compared to this. That's why these take electrons from this zinc hub cell because of here 0.34 SRP value compared to this minus 0.76. That's why it takes electrons and make deflection in this part. Okay. One more question is here. You make electricity from these chemicals. Okay. Up to what time this current will observe in emitter? That is my question. Means up to what time that electricity is captured in emitter? That is will be important. It is called lifetime of this cell. Lifetime of this cell is very minimum. Very minimum. Why that lifetime will be minimum? Why that lifetime will be minimum? I can explain it. One concept is charge imbalance. Charge imbalance. Charge imbalance. Okay. Charge imbalance. This is very important concept in this topic. Why charge imbalance is there and why this type of cell having low lifetime. Okay, low lifetime. Once again, I can draw this. Okay, this is the beaker in electrolytic solution. I can do some electro. I can connect by externally through wire. This is I take zinc solid from pure and this is zinc sulfate electrolytic solution and here copper electrolytic solution and this is the copper rod that is copper rod and this is the emitter. Okay. This much of knowledge you will know. Okay, I can say these lost two electrons and passing through wire. Yes or no? And here copper plus 2 ions in solution that takes these coming two electrons and go deposited on the metal strip. Okay, these are the two reactions. Up to what time this will lose electrons and up to what time this will take two electrons? That is will be important. Yes or no? Up to what time this zinc will dissolve? Zinc metal strip will be dissolved in electrolytic solution. Up to what time? To what time? This is the question. Means zinc plus 2 ions in the solution gets saturated. Means after losing the two electrons again and again, your zinc plus 2 ions in solution will increases. Yes or no? And what happened here? Here, here what actually happened? Copper plus 2 ions decreases. This is the important concept, charge imbalance. I can explain charge imbalance. But you will see here, here copper plus 2 ions get deposited on this rod. That's why copper plus 2 ions will decrease and here zinc plus 2 ions will be increases. Okay. And after some time, 10 minutes, these ions decreases in these two beakers. That's why the deflection again comes to 0. After some time, current will be 0. Okay. Any use of this cell in daily life? After some time, this cell working is stopped. This any useful in daily life? There is no use of this cell. That's why. What can they next do? Because the problem of this charge imbalance means your excess charging plus 2 increases and your copper plus 2 decreases. It is called charge imbalance. It is called charge imbalance. And due to this charge imbalance, the working of cell, what is cell? One half cell is connected to other half cell. It is called totally full cell. That is one complete cell. One half cell connected to other half cell. It is called cell. So this cell after some time, working of this cell after some time will be stopped due to this imbalance charge. And how can you balance that charge? This is a very important role. Okay. Okay. Today's topic I can explain how matters. Matter is nothing but solution. Solution. How can generate solutions electricity due to charges? Due to charges. That is the flow of electron is called electricity. And when the 2 points have some current, because of potential of one point is greater than the potential of other. If you take potential of both is same, then no current will be pass. Means here potential of one half cell is more and other half cell will be low. That's why current will be pass. That is flow of electron is called electricity or current. And you one may term is you already learned, that is the potential difference. Potential difference must to pass the electricity from 2 points, that is A and B. Okay. And one is oxidation reaction and one is reduction reaction. Any ions have take electron, that is for reduction, and any ion, any element that can lose electron, that is called oxidation. Okay, oxidation reduction. Oxidation reduction simultaneously occur in any reaction is called redox reaction. Because of that redox reaction, these reactions will be happening. And one more we already, that is SRP, that is standard reduction potential. Why we take standard? Because of their 100 pressure and 25 degrees temperature. Okay, and potential means it is the every person having some potential. Like these also elements have, every elements have some potential. One may have more potential, one may have less potential. Okay, these are the terms. Okay? And how this charge imbalance remove and increase the lifetime of a cell. This is next our topic. Okay, how can you maintain these charges, balancing them, and then only lifetime of cell is increases. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you. Next topic I can explain why this charge imbalance can be balanced by using some